Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, is the prejudice, the ideological slant, or simply the defiance towards India, the defiance of Indian law, the reason why people are switching from Twitter to coup? Here are 10 reasons why Indians are rejecting Twitter and very quickly migrating to coup. This is what's happening on the ground. Then we debate.
For the last 10 days, there has been a storm brewing on social media. A storm over social media giants' inaction to contain hate that possibly led to violence on Republic Day, and defiance and action ordered by the government. A day after Twitter reached out to government, they released a 667-word statement where it blatantly made a case for defying Indian government's call for action against certain Twitter handles spreading hate and fake news. They called it freedom of expression. The government response came in the form of a coup, a strong warning on indigenous social media platform. Ministry of Electronics and IT said, upon the request of Twitter seeking a meeting with the government, the Secretary IT was to engage with senior management of Twitter. In this light, a blog post published prior to this engagement is unusual. The social media scene in India seems to be changing. In the last 48 hours, more and more influential personalities are exploring coup, sending out a strong message to the American platform. And here's why Twitter is facing the flak. They have given platform and shown inaction against those spreading fake news, refused to comply with government order on inflammatory content. Freedom of expression argument has been reserved for a certain ideology, for unilaterally deciding on government measures, repeating actions that run down Indian sovereignty, refusal to act against instigators, justifying non-compliance, allowing a motivated campaign against India, non-compliance with the Indian law, and brazenly expressing disobedience. It's a warning bell for Twitter because the Atmanirbhar wave is sweeping social media. Let's debate.
Anand, let me start with you. Can you open the debates? Sardar R.P. Singh, Savio, Shefali, Saira Shah Halim, Ketan, Syed Abbas and Akashdeep are all on the debate. Why is this switch happening? It's happening in a big way. Let's be clear about it. And it's quite massive. There is something happening on the ground. Why people are making this switch? Is it just that it's a good alternative platform, or is there something else to it?
Yeah, good evening, Arnab. No, there is something else to it. And the fact of the matter is that I think it's wonderful that there is an alternative, especially an Indian alternative. Monopolies are always bad, Arnab, and foreign monopolies are even worse. There are two issues here, essentially. One is, let us hope that coup upholds freedom of speech and expression much more than the double-face, two-timing Twitter does, because Twitter has accepted it has a left-leaning bias. Its own CEO has accepted that. And the fact of the matter is that it can no longer call itself a platform. A platform is where all views are accepted and nobody adjudicates or judges which view is bad, which view is good, which view is hateful, which one is not. These guys are acting as judges, and obviously they bring in subjectivity. Now, you see, the government of India follows some rules that are laid down by laws that are formulated by the Constitution. And I'm not saying they're perfect. In fact, far from so. In fact, there are many laws that I myself disagree with. For example, Section 295A, which is, offending someone's religious sensibilities. I think it's draconian. But the fact is, as long as you are an Indian or a company which is operating in India, you have to follow the Indian law. You can stand up to it, you can criticize it, but you have to follow that law. The second point about freedom of expression is that I hope that coup, unlike Twitter, decides to remain a platform. But of what I've heard very quickly, Arnab, just 2 points. Number one, I've gone through their terms and conditions. Unfortunately, they're as long as Twitter, if not more. And in fact, Arnab, I would love it for you to join Coup, but I think you'd be banned the first day you join Coup, because one of the rules is, quote, you may not insult any nation. Now, I don't know what ramifications does Pakistan have if you're on Twitter. They would be dancing in the aisle. But number two is, I heard the interview of Coup CEO Rahul Roshan of Op India yesterday. And this matter came up, and he said that when on tricky issues, on matters of adjudication, we will have an expert panel to decide. Now, isn't that back to square one? For a platform, we don't need any expert panel. We don't need any decision. You go by the laws of this country. That's all. Don't be the judge. Don't decide which one tweet is or Coup is bad or good, or which one is hate speech or not, because that is where subjectivity comes, and that is where the biases creep in. But I hope for the best. I hope Coup would be different from
Twitter. You know, Anand,
my friend Anand.
No, Anand, you lay out your expectations beautifully. I mean, you talked about my getting banned. Listen, I'm not worried about being banned or being arrested or being jailed. I have some personal experience, as you know. You know, so it's all right. If you want to, you are the one who is probably going to be arrested next. And, you know, you should call me. I'll give you some experiences from Taloja so that you're not in any trouble when you're actually inside there. And the rate at which you're going to be in Taloja next. Now, on a lighter note, on a serious note, see, my concern is about the fact that if you are operating in India, you damn well follow Indian laws. Simple. I don't want to intellectualize it. But there are some Indians who believe disobeying Indian law is fashionable. Saying, you know, we don't think so. You don't think so? What gives you a right? You know, people like Akashdeep, for example, they're very happy, Shefali, people like Akashdeep. If some American comes here and says, you know, I don't care about your laws of freedom of expression, it doesn't apply to me, Akashdeep is very happy. People like Akashdeep are the most law-abiding citizens when they are in Cincinnati. But when in India, people like Akashdeep say we don't need to bother about Indian laws. That's the hypocrisy, Akashdeep. So Shefali, no, I'm not provoking him. It's a reality. It's a reality, and he's a brand ambassador of Facebook, by the way.
You're not.
So he has a.
You know, imagine
he's a brand ambassador of Facebook, so he's got a conflict of interest.
This is such a biased approach.
Just like Twitter.
You've already announced before even listening to the panelists. What kind
Twitter
of
is problematic because the chickens have come back to roost. The chickens have come home to roost. It's the same Twitter which was fine with the IT cell trolls.
Can I come in here, Arnab?
Arnab, can I come in? I think.
Well, all of India is switching to Coup.
The problem is that
Shefali, come on now. Shefali and Akashdeep are on the debate.
Fine.
Shefali and Akashdeep are on the debate.
I have read
Arnab, what I would like to say, Arnab,
very carefully.
Let me finish, please.
I would request you to please remain quiet for 30 seconds. That's just a polite thing to do. Gentlemen, it's my turn to speak. You are supposed to be quiet for 30 seconds. I cannot hear or
Madam,
I
it's
cannot
my
speak while
turn
you are
to
ranting
speak.
continuously.
Ma'am,
No, it's my turn to speak. It's my turn to speak.
We've both been asked to speak. I feel you are ranting
Yes, but
while I'm
Arnab is
speaking.
clearly said, you cannot go on a monologue, sir. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be a debate. You cannot go on a monologue.
Ma'am,
You have
first
to listen
let's
to other
decide
people.
it's
That's
whose
what
turn
known
it
as a
is.
debate. Anyway,
You are on a rant,
I've
you're
read
on a
the blog by
monologue,
Twitter. Twitter
oh my
says
God.
we
Can we
do
decide
not
whose
believe
turn
that
it is
what
to
the
speak?
Indian government has asked us to do is the right thing to do. Who the hell is Twitter to say that, to educate, to sit and decide that what the Indian government has asked them to do is legal or not legal? That is for a judge in India to decide. Twitter is a company that is operating in India. It is Twitter's responsibility to follow the law of the land.
That's why people are switching
If
to
they
Coup.
disagree with it, they should go to the court and let a judge decide. Twitter cannot decide that what we think is not what the government has asked us to do is what we believe is not the right thing to do.
No. Look at their words. No, Shefali, this Twitter, Shefali.
Arnab, let me come in here, please.
Shefali, 1 minute. Akashdeep, listen. Question to you. Akashdeep, listen, question to you. Yeah, you're on debate. Sardar RP Singh is there, Savio is there. They haven't spoken. Look how patient they are. You know, your problem is that the yellow bird is sitting on top of your head, pulling your hair, and you're getting paranoid about it. Question here is this. See, 1 minute, yeah. See, non-compliance with government order is a big thing. See, I run a network. Akashdeep, I run a network. We have Republic TV, Republic Bangla, Republic Hindi, and we pay you 400 rupees, remember, for watching our channel, because we are the TRP scamsters. We pay you 400 rupees. We do all these kinds of things. Now the question is this. But if I, listen, Arik, stop it, you know, please stop it. I'll give you 400 rupees tomorrow. Now listen to me. The question is, if I run a network, Savio, if I do not comply with Indian rules, my license will be taken away. If I show the wrong map of India, I can be pulled up. My license can be taken away. So there are rules under which I operate. Look at Twitter. I can't say to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting tomorrow if they say, we'll take away your license. I can't say, I believe that your interpretation of Indian laws is rubbish. I can go to court, but I have to comply. Now, Akashdeep, look at this arrogant Twitter people. Non-compliance with government order. Government says, why are you putting out these hashtags saying Modi planning farmer genocide? 1 minute, look at what they say. 2 were emergency blocking orders that we temporarily complied with, but subsequently restored access to the content in a manner that we believe is consistent with Indian law.
That is the point.
Who the hell are you to interpret Indian law? You are, we believe it is law. Can you do this in America? Come on, Akashdeep. Be a nationalist for once. Debate with Sardar RP Singh and Savio.
Let me please answer. Not for once. Done, sir. I'm always a nationalist. I'm flattered by your introduction, but I don't subscribe to any of the views that you've said. I firmly believe nation above everything else. If there is any shit happening on any platform which is anti-India, please do away with it. As regards talking about voice of dissent, is where I disagree. How does one decide what is the voice of dissent? Tell me. If people don't agree with something, are you going to shut their accounts, whether it's Coup or whether it's WhatsApp or be it any other platform?
How do I decide what is the voice of dissent?
The problem really is that today
it's not voice of dissent,
no,
yaar.
It's
not voice of dissent, yaar. Why don't you understand? It is Indian law.
So,
what is this voice of dissent you people keep pulling out? It is law.
Exactly.
Okay,
sedition is not dissent.
Educate us. Please educate us. What is
abusing the country is not dissent.
What I started off by saying,
I will educate.
Akash,
I started off by saying if it is anti-India, it should be banned. I started off by saying 1 second, Savio, last sentence. I started off by saying India above everything else. If it is anti-India, it should be banned. But this generates thousands of accounts being blocked.
Oh my God!
We reach a space where we can't do that in a free world.
Oh, you're exaggerating, Akash.
Go ahead.
Akash,
no, you don't please make
please.
To
what you're saying.
Please don't mix up. Don't dilute 1918. Don't abuse it. Don't abuse it, Savio. Don't abuse it.
Arnab, I'm not talking acts. I'm not talking acts and laws.
I truly appreciate that you put India first. I truly appreciate that you put India first,
yes,
Akash.
Always.
But the issue is about the law. The law of the land.
Always.
So when a social media platform which is governed by dictates of a foreign company does not comply to the laws of India, then they must be taken to task. This is as simple as it is. We are not talking about voice of dissent or anything.
Take them to task.
Twitter has been biased. Twitter has been going about it in an ideologically driven manner. That's exactly what the government is doing, Akashdeep. That's exactly what the government is doing. And one of the ways the people of India are reacting is by leaving Twitter and going to Coup.
Take them to task.
Correct. That's what we are saying. So that is what the government is doing.
No, people are switching for multiple.
It's people.
But
it's people.
Okay, let's get others also in the debate. I'd bring Ketan on. I'd bring Ketan on. 1 minute, please. I'd bring Ketan on and I bring RP on. I have one line to say. I have one line to say. People who have not read the preamble are preaching about the Constitution. Point number 1. Point number 2. What if tomorrow, very simply put, Ketan, a bunch of people you call Bhakts or Sanghis, if Bhakts or Sanghis were to accuse some of your gods, your ideological gods, of genocide? Straight question. What if some Bhakts or Sanghis were to accuse your Maoist ideologues of planning a genocide? You know, you would go mad. You would have 100 petitions before the Supreme Court. You say, my lord, we are all on the edge of a gigantic massacre. So, freedom of expression for you, 1 minute. Second point. Listen, I mean, we are watching everything, right? The law applies equally to all. The problem is, for you, the law does not apply. The absence of law is your right. The application of law is your revenge on others. Our belief in the law becomes our Achilles heel, and your refusal to accept the law becomes the crown which you wear, the halo on your head. Are you out of your mind? That's why people are switching to coup.
Well,
and don't be illiterate in your argument. Please realize you are dealing with Republic. We come prepared. Now, 1 second, Ketan, I have not finished. I have not finished.
Absolutely.
I have not finished. I give myself the right today of asking the longest question and speaking the most on my program. 1 minute, Ketan. When I stop, you will speak. Now this will be run like a dictatorship. I've had also enough of you lawless people. You don't believe in the law of the land. I also don't believe in any law. It's my law, my way of the highway on my program. Now listen to me, Ketan. And for God's sake, don't take me seriously. Because again, you'll put an FIR against me and put me back in Taloja. So please don't do that, okay? Now the question is this.
Well, on the lighter note, after a coup, there is always dictatorship.
Say? Twitter basic... How original, Ketan? You are so amazing. What an amazing thing. Now listen to me. I'll discuss it. When you and I meet, we'll discuss it. Now my question is, Twitter has basically said we are the law. No. RP, Twitter has said we are the law. I'll give you an example. Ministry of IT in a notice has specifically pointed out the impracticality or the disproportionality of the said measure cannot be decided by Twitter, which is an intermediary bound by the orders of the central government. Twitter says, we took action on hundreds of accounts that violated the Twitter rules. So they are saying Indian rules don't matter, Twitter rules matter. They are actually saying it, RP, but why is your government giving them such a lambi rassi, a long leash? Why? Are you scared of them?
Arnab,
you should crack down more.
Arnab, just wait for some more time. By tomorrow morning, you will get to know what's happening. But Twitter is not a sovereign nation. It's not a country which is running on its own. It's just an intermediary. And they think they are the judge. They think they are judge and jury. They can decide whatever they want to decide.
See, I am amazed by the timing of the Twitter outrage, because it is the same outrage that supported all the right-wing trolls. It's the same outrage
freedom of speech and expression can't be recipe for anarchy.
Freedom of speech, yeah, freedom of speech.
Freedom of speech can't be recipe for anarchy. And what Twitter allowed was recipe for anarchy. When they said Modi is planning for farmers' genocide, so it can't be allowed. I mean, how can you allow this in any nation where you try to create anarchy without any ground? And also that as per Constitution, there are certain restrictions also on your freedom of speech also. This is not absolute. So you can't say that because I have a freedom of speech, so on this channel I can start abusing you. I'm not allowed to do that. I can't abuse you with your mother and sister. I'm calling your mother and sister name.
both as competitive platforms can stay together. They can coexist in a democracy. Both the platforms can coexist in a democracy.
No,
and my
it's not
simple
about both.
submission is when IT cells
It's not
trolled
question of-
and
it's
worked
not about
overtime
who
to
versus Twitter.
persuade political
It is about
rivals,
Twitter.
it was
It's
fair
about
game.
Twitter.
When divisive
It's
trains
not
were
about Twitter.
engineered, it was
It's
fair
more
game.
about Twitter,
And
sir. It's
now
not
when the
about who
chickens are
versus
coming
Twitter.
home to roost, now you have a Greta Thunberg, or when you have a Rihanna tweeting against the current political dispensation, then suddenly Twitter is the shaitan number one. Twitter
I think
is
if
the
this is
enemy number
continuing
one.
to be
It's the same Twitter when it
Sir.
helped you for the political ends, then it was a welcome
No,
platform.
1 minute.
Unlimited submission.
You are forgetting Pannu. You are forgetting. Why are you not joining name of Pannu and Dhaliwal also with them?
So that
Why
is
you
not,
not-
it's a
why you not
platform, so
joining
there
them
will be
of
all
ISI?
No,
voices
I take it further.
So we
Justice.
cannot advocate
Let
shooting
complete-
the messenger. Who can be a parallel messenger?
No, basically,
But
Twitter has
can
taken a
encourage
position and the
competition.
people of
We
India
need
have a right
shoot
to take
one
a position
messenger
now.
Because it
1
doesn't
minute, 1
subscribe
minute.
to our political views.
1 minute, 1 second, 1 minute, 1 second. Please wait. Now Saira Shah Halim is back on the debate with Anand Ranganathan. I am only presenting the facts here. I want to be just with the facts here. Now, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology passed an interim order dated 31st January 2021 as a matter of emergency, blocking 257 URLs and one hashtag under section 69A of the Information Technology. Twitter did not comply. My view is this is challenging Indian sovereignty, and there is a, the fact is, look at the long leash. It was allowed. Twitter was used by vandals to spread violence on Republic Day. The same Twitter which gets so overactive when some monkeys jump up Capitol Hill, in India believe that is the freedom of expression for monkeys here to do what they want. Attack women, vandalize Red Fort, do what they want. So it's complete and absolute hypocrisy. You cannot have two positions in America and in India. Point one. Point one. You blocked Trump.
Trash is moving to Kyiv. It is wonderful that the right-wing trash is moving to Kyiv because the propaganda and the monkeying around you're talking about.
You are nothing but an intolerant.
Practiced by right-wing. Is being practiced.
You are an
by
intolerant
right-wing.
person, and it's beginning to show.
They have been abusing. They have been abusing
Now I'll tell you one thing.
Shadowing women, bullying
Why
women
do you
on
call
Twitter.
people trash?
They have been
Nobody
bullying
calls
the
you
liberal
trash.
lobby on
And
Twitter.
Twitter is the platform
They use
because it
Twitter
allows
for
them
their
to
right-wing
trash.
propaganda. For
It only
espousing
takes one-
right-wing
Look at the language you
propaganda on
use.
Twitter. We have no problem with whichever app comes.
This
The
language is
point
not,
is the Narendra Modi.
No, why do you
government
use such
to let
acidic
go
language?
Twitter
This language is
for
not expected.
Saira, why do you
right-wing
use,
propaganda.
why are you so intolerant?
BJP government ready to let go.
No, who
of
is
the
we?
usage of Twitter that
Who
they
is
use
we,
for
yeah?
election-
Who is we?
election campaigning
The
and
nation wants to know
propaganda.
who is we. No, Saira,
We are
Saira, listen, yeah,
whether
Saira,
it is
listen
Google,
now to me,
whether it's
please.
Twitter,
Listen to
whether
me.
it is it the new WhatsApp university?
Oh, God.
I want to ask this.
This is the problem
We are
with Saira. She
perfectly
has no
okay with
mercy.
Whatever app, the point is,
She has no
the
mercy.
right-wing
Who is we?
ready to let
not-
go of Twitter because they need Twitter to liaison with various state governments, with various foreign governments. They want to tweet about Joe Biden. They want to, establish a diplomatic equation with different establishments across the world. So the right-wing lobby needs Twitter more than anyone else sitting here on this panel, whichever side of the fence they're from. So if they are ready to let go
I
of
feel
Twitter,
so.
we are perfectly
you are
okay.
so-
Whether you use Scoop,
Okay,
you
now
use
have you-
Twitter, you use Facebook, whatever.
Who is we? Now, 1 minute, Saira, listen to me. Unlike you, I believe in the art of making the substantial points with tremendous brevity. So I have a 3-word question to you. 3-word question, Anand, I'm asking her. Who is we? Who is we that you keep talking? Who are you? Who are we? We are happy to see you go. Who are you? Who are we?
See, the point is, Arnab, there's certain people on your panel.
Okay, so
who are
Sambit
from the
Patra is
far
not people of
right.
India.
Here,
Anand
we are
is not
from
people
the
of India.
far right,
You are
nor
people of
are
India.
We nor are we
Now,
ultra left. We are
Arnab-
liberals. We are liberals here. We are social democrats. We are liberals. So we have no issue Whoever use
Liberal.
Move, whoever use WhatsApp, whoever use
Shefali
Twitter,
ji,
to each
Shefali.
their own. I believe in a democracy. However, if any platform is used,
Is there a sense of panic I am sensing tonight, Anand? Is she panicked? Because if all the centre-right people move away, who will they abuse? Is there panic? Some sense of panic. Viewers, who is doing amazing?
She's a representative of the entire population of India. Please,
Arnab, the fact of the matter is that if Jack,
I don't know much
who
about
is the CEO of Twitter,
how can she say she is the way to
You guys are so
that Twitter
excited and elated about coup. It seems it's going to be a dumping ground for right-wing propaganda.
All hell has broken loose now. Anand is on the debate.
And left Twitter for coup.
Trash moves to
That is the fact of the matter.
Twitter will become a cleaner place.
So
from all
Sara
this
knows
right-wing
that Twitter
garbage.
has a left-wing leaning. Twitter has a
rubbish?
left-wing
What
bias, and that is
rubbish?
why she's very comfortable.
What
If Jack had
rubbish, my
said,
friend?
if Jack, now don't interrupt, Sara. Please don't interrupt.
Your
Have
lobby
the
was the
temerity
one
to
who
listen to
dismissed
other views.
accounts from the left
You are
lobby.
you
Where
are
are you?
you
Which
are
one
not
are
on
you from?
Twitter. You are on Republic, where, as you can see on the panel, there are 4 people with views that are opposite to yours, but your views are also being heard.
It's a fair platform.
Do you understand that?
Anand,
Do you understand what is happening right now on this panel? There are people with opposing views and people are debating. They are deliberating. That is what a platform should be. Arnab hasn't banned you. Has Arnab banned you, Sara, from this panel? No. Arnab is hearing. We are hearing you out. We are hearing your rants out, which is what Twitter doesn't do. It bans people. It bans people whose views it doesn't like.
Utter 2-3 sentences.
Now that is what I'm trying to say. Now, Sara, no, it's not a question of, being sarcastic. You have to accept the fact that Arnab is allowing you to speak, even though your views disagree with his views and the 4 other panelists' views.
So please
that is what Twitter doesn't do. Do you understand the psychology of it? Do you understand that?
Please have a monologue. Please
There is a difference between what is happening right now on this panel
I wish
and what Twitter does. Now, can I please finish my point? Arnab,
I
all
wish
my
to-
time
I
went
wish
in
to make-
explaining to Sara why she was wrong.
Sir, I wish
Now,
to.
can I please have 20 seconds of saying what I wanted to say?
Nobody's going to watch a trash show. Let me be very clear. Nobody's interested in a trash show with right-wingers sitting and what do you call...
next time you don't come to for the show.
And
No, next time don't come for this show.
Nobody's interested.
What do you mean by trash show?
Okay, 1 minute.
No,
Viewers, I need to. 1 minute. I'm extending this debate today. I am making an announcement. I'm extending the debate today, and some breaking news also coming in. Now listen here. I need to be allowed to make my next point. Please listen here. It's going crazy, viewers. Look at 12,330 coups. There is such intense following on. I'm so proud that there is an Indian microblogging social media app which is liberating us from this, from the negativity of Twitter. Maybe people just don't like the negativity of Twitter. That's a choice. I have to make 3 points today. 1, coup and Twitter is not the real issue. The real issue is the country. See, first of all, I have a feeling, subjective view, please don't arrest me for this, Syed, that anybody who abuses Modi, if you consistently show a pattern of abusing Modi, you move up in the shortlist to get a blue tick on Twitter. Point number 1. Secondly, I'm horrified that there are people who said, after Pulwama, people said this Sikh regiment will not fight for India. It was a Photoshop picture put by some Pakistanis, some dangerous anti-nationals in India with blue ticks, photoshopped the news on a Republic still picture, and then they amplified it at a time. This was an attempt at creating a sort of engineering mutiny within the army. Twitter did not take appropriate action. The blue tick remains on the people, which means if you're anti-Indian army and if you abuse Modi, your blue ticks will remain for life. So don't give me this garbage about objectivity. Twitter is the most biased platform. Third is, who the hell do they think they are? Who the hell do they think they are? There's a government statement on Twitter out. What they have said, we do not believe that the actions that we have been directed to take are consistent with Indian law. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Who the hell do they think they are? We do not believe that the actions we have been directed to take are consistent with Indian law and in keeping with our principles of defending protected speech and freedom of expression. Twitter says that on a daily basis. The most incendiary, gender insensitive, abusive, personal, venomous rants are going on, anti-national campaigns are going on, and who the hell is Twitter to come to my country and tell me this is my law? I'm sorry, Syed. You ask the question to the people of the country now. No. First of all, I do not like this shallow attempt at telling the government we. No. 1 minute. Ravi Shankar Prasad is 1 minute. 1 minute. It's a question out. Ravi Shankar Prasad is not just. Ravi Shankar Prasad is not just the Union IT Minister. Ravi Shankar Prasad is the Union Minister of Law and Justice. And who the hell is Twitter to tell him I know the Indian law better than you? I will not comply.
Okay, I
will not comply. The same people are quick to cancel and suspend Anand Ranganathan's Twitter handle.
I don't understand.
Okay, Arnab, I've heard all.
Whenever I wrongfully raised questions.
Okay.
Whenever I have wrongfully raised a question.
Arnab, undoubtedly, my friend, you've raised a very right question. Pointed question, pointed answer. Well, these are the words of Shri Narendra Modi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister. His tweet: "Delighted to meet you, Jack Dorsey. Happy to see the passion with which you're leading Twitter. I enjoy being on this medium, which I've made great friends and see."
That's all right. Yeah, come on now. That has nothing to do with the. Come on, don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous. Please have some sense. Have some sense. Have some sense. You come on my program. I say, so 1 minute. I'll respond to you. You come on my program and I say, Syed Asad Abbas, delighted to see you. And then the next minute you abuse people. I say, get out of my program. Will you say, oh, but you said delighted to see you sometime back, so you can't throw me out of the program now?
To make my point.
You're out of your mind, man. You're out of your mind. What is this? Don't stop wagging your finger at me. Stop wagging your finger, first of all. I'm not in a good frame of mind. Savio. Anand is laughing.
Yes, hypocrite, Arnab.
No, Abbas.
Anand, please hammer him back.
Oh, what you used to say? Oh, we are trending on Twitter. We are trending number one on Twitter. Isn't this hypocrisy?
Abbas,
you said the criteria of blue tick is abusing Modi. Then Republic has a blue tick. Did you abuse Modi? Anand Ranganathan has a blue tick. Did he abuse Modi?
Oh, here comes another. No, he said, oh, Arnab, this is ridiculous. This is from the sublime
blooper after blooper.
Abbas, what has happened to you today?
Twitter will care a damn cat to
blooper
on your right-wing ideology. Our Prime Minister says he enjoys being on Twitter. All you right-wingers, get out of media.
Yeah, in 5 minutes.
Deactivate, delete your account and get the hell out of
5 minutes on the debate. 5 minutes on the debate. Savio is responding right now. Savio is responding to Syed Abbas viewers. 5 minutes on this debate. 11, 12, 10:38 the next debate. Stop shouting first of all.
ट्विटर इंडिया में राज नहीं करेंगे, ट्विटर को बाहर फेंकेंगे इंडिया से। अगर ट्विटर इंडियन लॉज को फॉलो नहीं कर पाएगा तो ट्विटर को बंद करना होगा और ट्विटर को बंद करेंगे आप। देखना चाहते हैं आप ट्विटर को बंद करेंगे आप, ट्विटर को बंद करेंगे आप। अगर ट्विटर इंडियन लॉ को फॉलो नहीं कर पाएगा ट्विटर को भी बंद करेंगे।
This is not a good precedent.
Obviously. If you come against the country, you should be thrown out. If you allow people to work against the country, they must be thrown out. If you work against the country, you must be thrown out. You must be thrown out. Simple. There's no point to be made.
I need enough, Savio, enough.
Make your point, Akash. It is limited time. I have 3-4 minutes left on this debate.
Arnab, as I said at the onset, anything anti-India needs to be punished and not tolerated. But it seems as if when you have an ideology post which is left or right, that seems to be a bigger issue. And that cannot be stopped, whether it's coup or WhatsApp or whatever. With the world we live in today, there will be contrary voices. Anti-India stand, punish them, absolutely with you. But it seems, as I'm watching the debate, if there is a leftist ideology being posted or propagated, there is a problem. Now there is a leftist ideology which I don't believe in, but it is there. You can't make it vanish from WhatsApp. You cannot make it vanish from any platform.
It has to follow the Indian law.
It's going crazy.
It cannot be a platform and then the authority to control what they think they like.
Yes.
Twitter must be banned. Twitter
Savio.
must be banned.
Savio, but there is also another point of view, Savio.
Twitter must be banned. Twitter
Do it.
must be
So,
banned.
Savio, Twitter should be banned
to
for
different
what?
point of view
For
that is
what?
anti-India.
This is a big debate now, viewers. I would like to. No, I think the point is 1 minute. Look at this, RP. The IT secretary reminded Twitter about the action taken by Twitter during the Capitol Hill episode in the USA and compared that Shefali Anand with the disturbance in the Red Fort in India in its aftermath. He expressed dissatisfaction over Twitter's differential treatment to the two incidents. Exactly. That's my point, Ketan. Twitter has one rule in America and one, so you can't vandalize Capitol Hill, but you must vandalize Red Fort.
No, they have to abide by the Indian Constitution. They have to abide by the Indian Parliament.
RP.
They are not above the Indian Constitution and Indian Parliament. If they think they are above Indian Constitution and Indian Parliament, better be off from India.
I don't understand what's going on.
They can be off from India, and they have all the right to go to court. They have to abide by what the government of India tells them. And if they have any question, they can go to court. They can't say that we can move to the constitution.
Wherever they cross the line, take them up for it.
They have all the right to move to the court. They can
abide by the rule of the law.
Public voice.
Abide by the rule of the law. Abide by the rules of the country. Side of us. Okay, we're closing the debate. I think.
Let me tell you one thing. You cannot twist Twitter. You cannot bully Twitter. Twitter will not listen to the right-wingers' ideology. Twitter will do what it has to do. So, aap kare to pyar, hum kare to war.
Well, I think whatever Twitter can do or not do, Twitter has made its position amply clear. And the people of the country have a choice which is good. Which is good, I believe. Which is good, viewers. Let there be choice.
Absolutely, they have a choice. That's fine.
Let 1,000 flowers bloom, ladies and gentlemen. This is becoming a big debate. And we must not make the abuse of Indian law into a shining example of dissent. That is not dissent. That is misuse of democracy. Misuse of democracy, ladies and gentlemen. I have no doubt about it.